In this module, we will define the term consultant and its relation to the term service provider, and consider the level of expertise that consultants need to have to start a business. In simple terms, consultants are people who possess specialized knowledge and charge a fee in exchange for access to that knowledge. This is why consultants are sometimes called brains for hire. Service providers, likewise, possess some kind of specialized skill for which they offer paid services. While technically different, these roles, consultant and service provider, often go hand in hand. Let's look at one example starting from the consulting end. If you provide consulting services on tax strategies, it makes sense that your clients would look to you to also provide actual tax preparation services. Now let's look at another example starting from the services end. Let's say you provide commercial landscaping services. You're certainly also providing some informal consulting to all your clients at the same time. You probably also know enough to even offer landscape design and planning consulting separately if you chose to. In this way, consulting and services are often complementary or overlapping, and the vast majority of the concepts in Black Belt Startup fully apply to both. Compared to companies that are based on manufacturing and selling products, more of the value in consulting and services is derived from the consultant or the provider themselves. So the relationship between the consultant and the client means a lot. Let's consider the role of expertise and authority in building that relationship. Expertise is certainly the essence of why people will hire you, but there's a common misconception about the level of expertise that you need for consulting. Many think you must be a world-class expert before you can start offering consulting services. But in reality, you just need to be a few steps ahead of your target audience. Initially, you can easily get away with providing basic services to what I call entry-level clients who don't know anything about your niche, or who do know some things but want to outsource the job. As your clients' needs become more sophisticated, you can deepen your skills and knowledge and continue to provide value to them. For example, a fitness coach who just received a fitness instruction certification can help your average Joe and Jane with basic needs. Over time, though, as this fitness instructor gains experience and puts in the time, they'll advance and can offer highly customized individual training and charge a premium for it. Let's now turn to authority. Authority is tied to expertise, but is its own concept. Authority is how you communicate your expertise, and it's the level of recognition you have achieved as an expert. Earning a challenging industry certification, building an engaged social media following, speaking at a conference, or appearing as a guest expert on a podcast are all hallmarks of authority that can help you attract leads and make the leads confident enough to hire you. But as critical as expertise and authority are in consulting, they're only one side of the coin. The other characteristic that you need to have as a consultant is empathy. We'll discuss this other important topic in an upcoming module. See you next time, and go establish your authority and establish your expertise and close more deals.